Hi everyone, welcome in my new video. Today my video topic is preposition of place with pictures, जो कि बहुत अच्छी और लर्निंग वीडियो होने वाली है. Let's start. इस वीडियो में हम ऑप्शन से fill in the blanks को fill करेंगे. The book is dash the chair. The option is under, near, in. The answer is the book is under the chair. The bag is dash the box. The option is next to, below, behind. Answer is the bag is behind the box. The boy is dash the house. On, in, near. Answer is the boy is in the house. The mouse is dash the bed. The option is under, near, next to. Answer is the mouse is near the bed. The sun is dash the flowers. Option is below, above, under. Answer is the sun is above the flowers. The cat is dash the table. The option is in, under, on. Answer is the cat is on the table. The dog is dash the books. The option between, near, next to. Answer is the dog is between the books. The ball is dash the car. The option under, between, in front of. Answer is the ball is in front of the car. The monkey is dash the tree. The option near, next to, in front of. The answer is the monkey is near the tree. The monkey is dash the tree. Option is near, next to, in front of. The answer is the monkey is next to the tree.